How to use Auto Clicker on iPhone. Starting off, you need to open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go ahead and tap on Accessibility. Then, from here, you need to scroll down and look for the option that says Switch Control. Tap on it. From the Switch Control page, you need to tap on Switches on the top. Now, tap on Add New Switch. From the options under Source, tap on Screen. Now select Full Screen. Under System, you need to select the Tap option. Now, go back to the previous page. From here, tap on Recipes under Switches. Tap on Create New Recipe. After that, you need to put in a name for your new recipe. In this case, I will be using Auto Clicker. Then, under Switches, tap on Assign a Switch. Now, select Full Screen under Switches. Over here, tap on Custom Gesture. Now, using your fingers, put in the tapping positions that you want. Once you're done, tap on Save on the top right corner. Now, just go back and go to the Recipes page. As you can see, the Auto Clicker has been added. After that, tap on the Launch Recipe option on the bottom. From the options here, tap on Auto Clicker. Now you need to go back to the Switch Control page. From here, you can turn on the Switch Control option to enable it, or press the power button 3 times in order to activate it. Once activated, if you tap on your screen, the custom taps that you put in will be applied on the screen. Keep in mind that you will not be able to tap on anywhere else on the screen, and only the custom taps or gesture will be applied, regardless of where you tap. Now, to turn it off, all you need to do is press the power button 3 times again, and you'll be able to use your phone as usual. Following these steps, you can easily use Auto Clicker on iPhone.